What a crazy day again. What's up, guys? This is Davron again. So I just want to go over my trades today. AXON, it's crazy. Look at this, 143% up today. So it was a really nice runner. It treated me very well today. So I pretty much was looking at it since the pre-market. You know, I did my levels right here. It had a nice room to run to 464, which it did hit. Perfectly hit right here, 463. So 464 on the daily level, I marked it right there. So you see this, it pretty much filled the gap here. And then I was watching it around this level right here. So it pretty much opened. Came down, held the VWAP right here, held the VWAP, and then look at this. Look at this. You see this volume right here? Volume and huge run up. Volume validating the price action. The candle right here, and then so I was looking at it. If it's still strong, then it's not gonna come down. It's not gonna go right back down to the VWAP. It's gonna open like right where it closed or closer to where it closed, and then it was gonna go up more. So yeah. So then as soon as it opened right where it closed, and I saw the volume coming in, I see the green prints right here, printing really fast, and pretty much the offer's taken off. I hit my hockey right here. Hit my hockey at let's see, 1,000 shares here. I don't know what it was, like 360 something, 360 something, and I took a nice 30 cents or something run here, and I sold right at the pretty much top of the before it pulled back. It pulled back. I sold half here. I sold half, pulled back. I bought another 1,000 shares here. And then I thought, okay, cool. So it's a quick little pullback before it's pretty strong. Look at the volume right here. It's pretty strong. Look at the volume right here. And then, so yeah, I sold half here, longed more here, and it came down right, like literally breaking out just for a couple cents, and it came down again. So I was pretty much break even here. I was still up like $300 here. Still up $300, or I think 200 something bucks. I'm not sure. Sorry, guys. I don't like to look at my P&L. I do not, because it messes up my psychology. I just like to focus on the trade, and then I just look at it whenever I'm done or something. So, but other than that, I don't really care how much money I make. I just want to trade. I just want to be like do my best. And then so yeah. So but then it kept holding this support line right here. Kept holding the support line. And then I identified that, okay, cool, 370 is holding, and then I pretty much longed it here again. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I longed it here again. It came down. I added more because it held 70s, and then it dropped down for just a bit. So I went from being green to I think $150 down on this trade right here, and it was really bad. I was like, fuck, are you serious? Oops, sorry. I was like, damn, are you serious? Sorry for cussing. And then but then it bounced back again, so it was holding again. So I pretty much just, yeah, this is over trading, but you don't want to do that. This is over trading. Just wait for until it breaks like this level right here, or at least it breaks this level right here with nice volume. It breaks this level. So this is a perfect entry right here. Perfect entry. So, but I just see my psychology was messed up when I went from being green to pretty much being red, and that's one of my rules, to actually stop after being green to go red. I didn't stop because I realized this is still strong. This is in play. So I longed more, added a bit more since it was holding, and then I had to sit through this consolidation right here. I had to sit through this, and then as soon as the volume came in right here, nice volume. Look at this, breaking out of this volume range. It broke out. I sold half right after it broke the highs here. I sold half, and then took this whole move right here and sold half here. Sold another half, and then still looks strong. So I longed the first pullback, sold for a little bit of profit because it was 1,000 shares, a little bit of profit, and rest for break even. because it just, yeah. But then I longed more for over this breakout, and it pretty much small profit. Here again small profit. And then I longed it again over this breakout, and then I just, for me, like, mentality is breakout or bailout. So, and it looked like it was, I didn't like this count, like, it opened here and it came down, which, but at that time I just didn't want to give back any of my profits, so I was just very risk averse. I was like, I need to get out for any, like if it goes below my entry, I'm gonna go get out. So that was my mentality. So I pretty much, it came down and then it held this and back up, so I sold for small profit again. And then, so since this was the daily resistance level, and after running up this much, I figured, okay, cool, like, it needs to have a nice, like, actual pullback, right? Not just like a small consolidation, but actual pullback. So, and then I shorted here, like, small size, like 500 shares position here, right at the, after it. You see this stuff move? Look at this. This is a buyer's exhaustion candle. Buyer's exhaustion candle. This is a buyer's exhaustion candle. Look at this. Look at this volume, and look, it's a shooting star right here on the 1 minute. Shooting star, cool. It's like a lot of volume, shooting star. That indicates weakness. So I watch the next candle if it's going to break this level. If it does, then it's going to continue the momentum. But it didn't. So I shorted small here, very small. 500 shares, and then pretty much covered for $100 profit here. 500 shares, $100 profit. That's pretty nice. 20%. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much it. That I really liked how I traded here. Just not when I over traded here, but pretty much it was a nice trade for me today, and my P&L is $400. So that's pretty nice. Trading, let's see, what else did I trade? Sorry, I also traded SNES. Yeah, so long 300 and short 100. SNES, I also traded SNES. SNES was pretty much just a little scale. Oh yeah, SNES. So the market opened. I was watching this level, like, support. I watched it wash out, and then it actually, it opened. But this didn't validate the candle here. So once this volume came in, I was watching it over pre-market highs, which is 215, 216, and then I put in my order for 220 to long it over that pre-market high for a quick scalp into this move. But it looks like I didn't pick the route, so it didn't execute my order. I literally, when it was coming to 212, I clicked buy, but it said I didn't pick the route, so I didn't get executed on this one, and I pretty much chased a bit here, and small loss, $9 loss. I got up really quickly for break even, pretty much almost. But yeah, so that was my 2 trades today, AXON and SNES. I just focus on taking literally 1 or 2 trades a day, and yeah, see, now if I still held it, I would have been up like 50 cents. Wow, that would have been nice. But I just took profit here, I didn't like this pullback. Actually, I mean, it's just a pullback. But yeah, I just didn't want to pretty much risk anymore, and didn't want to give back any profit. That's why I got out here. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good day.